Welcome back, everybody. Today is Monday, May 5th, 2025. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Where we left off on this trunk on Saturday is the filler areas that I had to spot in are in 2 coats. The rest of the trunk lid is in 1 coat of unreduced SPI epoxy. Per their recommendation, I've said this before, you wait 48 hours before you spray polyester primer over it. So it's been sitting in here since Saturday. It's dry, but it's not cured. It's still open. So what I'm going to be spraying is featherfill G2. You guys saw me do the same thing last weekend. This thing comes with a gallon of polyester primer. It comes with 4 of these tubes. So you mix 1 tube per quart of primer. I'm going to be spraying about 16 ounces. So I have half a tube of the activator, hardener, catalyst, whatever you want to call it. Real simple. I'm going to spray it with an Iwata Ergunza 2.0 tip, wide open fluid, wide open fan, 25 psi. We're going to focus on the top of the trunk and the bottom down here where we welded up some holes and did a little bit of filler work. This section right here blocked down real nice. I'm not going to focus on that, but if I do have some left over, I'm going to go ahead and coat it. I'm hoping 16 ounces will get this thing in 2 coats. I'm going to have to kind of stretch it a little bit. Let me get to mixing. I'll bring you guys back. All right, you guys just saw me put on 2.5 coats of the featherfill. Like I say, wide open fluid, wide open fan, 25 psi. And the main takeaways from this is, even if you're gonna run out in the middle of the panel, as you saw, I was running dry over here, the gun started sputtering, just put it on the panel. Even if that, affects your overlap, or your coverage or whatever. This ain't base coat, this isn't clear coat, the whole thing's getting sanded anyways. The main thing is to put the material on the panel so that you can have the build that you need whenever you go to block it down. So it doesn't matter if you run out in the middle, as long as we got two good coats, we should be good. As you guys saw, I spent more time cleaning the gun than I did spraying the panel. I've had this gun here for probably 3 or 4 years, and that's the extent that I clean it. Takeaway from this, I don't put the gun back together until, probably tomorrow or the next time I'm gonna use it, a few days from now, because as you saw, I didn't get the thing squeaky clean. Might be a little bit left in the threads. I'm sure there's some left in the threads of the paint cup. If you go to assemble this gun right now while stuff is still in there, And then over the next day, that stuff dries up and cures. You might have some difficulty taking the gun apart next time. So I leave it taken apart until the next time I use it. I've been doing it that way for 3 or 4 years, and the gun is still pumping along. It's about $150, I think now. When I got it, it was like $80. So it's went up. It's a good gun. Iwata Airgunza 2.0. It will spray polyester primer. It will spray super thick, high build 2K urethane. Anything that calls for a 1.8 to a 2.2, it'll take care of. Guys, that's a wrap. It's Monday. I'm tired. Went to work twice today. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all stay tuned. Now the trunk is up to speed with the doors and the shell. I'm gonna bring you guys back. We're probably gonna start on the fenders and the hood in about a week's time, maybe 2. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all stay tuned for more. You guys check out the website, lonestarlows.com. It's work in progress. The store's not hooked up yet, but I do have a little about me on there, link to the Instagram and YouTube page. And it's a work in progress, but we're moving along. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all stay tuned for more work. Thanks for watching.